Okay, so here's the air box where we're going to be replacing the air filter. So we're going to be using a Torx 225 T25. So there's bolts all around. We're going to have to remove. Okay, that should be it. And it should pop right up like that. There's our air filter. There we go. And as you can see, there's dust right here, so we're going to go ahead and vacuum it. Okay, so after we finish vacuuming it, here's our new one. I'm going to go ahead and put it back. Make sure it sits perfect. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the cover back on. Line the holes. Sits into place. Then go ahead and pull back the little screws.